Infidelity isn't always what it looks like on the surface. Sometimes it's the conscious choice to deceive. Other times, it's a brain that's been hijacked by addiction. Sometimes that's sex, love, or porn. And unless you know the difference, you'll keep blaming yourself for something that is not yours to carry. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's break down the difference between infidelity and compulsion to sex, porn, and love. If you've been betrayed, I know the pain that you are in. Your mind won't stop racing with questions. Why wasn't I enough? Why did they risk everything? When will it stop? That spiral is trauma talking. It's your nervous system trying to make sense out of chaos. And it gets even worse when a person that you love says, I couldn't help it, or I tried to stop, even when they tell you it didn't mean anything. My work in porn addiction and infidelity was actually born out of the very topic we are going to discuss today. The realization that I had helped me move forward in such a powerful way. That's my hope for you too. I've spent years working with men who are trapped in this very cycle. I help them using brain tech, brain mapping to show them the dysfunction or dysregulation in their brain, neurofeedback brain training to help them heal. So I've seen on a very real neurological level what happens in the brain when compulsive sexual behaviors are involved and deception. I've also seen the devastation that it causes in the brains and nervous systems of partners. I want you to understand that today. Knowledge is power, and it's the first step to reclaiming your sanity. Here's the truth. Infidelity is a choice. It's the breaking of trust through a deliberate act of deception. It might be an affair, a hookup, emotional cheating, whatever form it takes. Your partner knows what he's doing and he's choosing to do it. Now, on the other hand, sex, porn, and love addiction, now that's a compulsion. It's not about romance, sex, intimacy, connection, none of that. It's about the constant search for dopamine hits over and over with building escalation until it runs out of control. The very definition of compulsion includes two very important aspects. Number one, the state of being forced to do something, a constraint. Number two, an irresistible urge to act in a way outside of one's conscious decision or behavior. But don't get me wrong, both feel like betrayal to you. Both break trust. But the path forward, those two paths are very different. If a partner treats addiction as just bad choices, you'll never get where you want to go. On the other hand, if infidelity is treated like a compulsion without decision, the same goal isn't met. Each scenario requires the proper accountability and healing. If any of this is resonating with you, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Just write truth. You don't need to share all the details. Just one word reminds you that you are not alone. It shows others we're in this thing together. Let's look at the brain and break it down. With addiction or compulsion, the dopamine loop takes over. It goes like this: trigger, craving, acting out, shame, temporary relief, trigger again. This is a hijacked nervous system running on autopilot. Now with infidelity, the loop looks different. It goes like this: opportunity, decision, secrecy, betrayal, rationalization. This is not compulsion. It's choice. It's fueled by deception and entitlement. To you, the partner, the trauma feels the same. Night sweats, flashbacks, panic, endless questioning. But underneath, the neurology is different. And that matters in how to move forward. Here's what I want you to take with you. You did not cause this. Whether it's about infidelity or addiction, it has nothing to do with your worth. Boundaries are your lifeline. At first, the rules are the same either way. No lies, no gaslighting, no secrets. Safety first, labels later. You don't need to diagnose them. You need to stabilize you. Look for patterns. Addiction looks more like escalating compulsive behaviors that they can't stop, whether it be porn, dating apps, looking for another dopamine hit. Infidelity looks a bit more situational. It's driven by opportunity, entitlement, desire. It can include conflict avoidance. Your healing is separate. Don't wait for their admissions. Your nervous system needs to be repaired now. Okay, so what do you do with all this, right? Step 1, down-regulate the amygdala, getting that fear response under control. Do this by stabilizing your nervous system, breath work, grounding, routines and rituals that serve you, good sleep. Step 2, reactivate the prefrontal cortex for better decision-making. This will help restore clarity. Often, this can mean a formal disclosure, definitely with a professional if you want best results. Step 3, strengthen the ventral vagal nerve. That helps to send the signal to your brain and body, you are safe. This is where you can set very clear boundaries and maintain them too. That's the tricky part. This allows you to create safety even if you're still in the situation. Step 4, create the neurobiological space that you need. This will allow you to make better executive function decisions. Do you want to stay? Is it time to move on? The choice is yours. In this space, you can observe, not absorb. Their actions, not their apologies, will tell you how the future will unfold. If you're walking this painful road, you don't have to do it alone. I've created resources just for you. Please go over to drtrishleigh.com. You'll see all the programs for men. Then click the For Partners tab. You'll find the Sanity After Betrayal program. There you'll see the digital program and the one-on-one clinic where you can use brain mapping to see how trauma's impacted your brain and what you need to heal and move forward. And before you go, let me know in the comments, is your journey more about infidelity or addiction? You can even just drop one word. It helps everybody else to know this is a community of truth tellers, and we're here to support each other. In the next video, I'll show you how to stop the intrusive trauma loops that keep you awake at night. This time can be very lonely, but you've made it here, and you are not alone anymore. So, here we grow again, and stay sane until next time. I'll see you then.